Welcome students to another image manipulation video. Today we're going to be talking about the heal brush tool. It's this one right here on the toolbar. It looks like a plaster. If you can't find it, what you must do is just click and hold with your mouse on this icon here and then select it from the menu. The shortcut for it is the letter H on your keyboard if you wish to use keyboard shortcuts. So what we're going to be doing with this tool is we're going to be removing some of these wrinkles from this picture right here, and through that process we're also going to learn just how it really works. So if I zoom into the picture here, I want to remove this wrinkle from this person's face here. So what I have to do is I have to hold Control on my keyboard. So we're talking CTRL. It's located on the left or bottom left hand corner of your keyboard. So if I'm holding Control, then what I do is I click on a part of an image that I want to use to heal this area. So what this does is it takes the data from this part of the image and it merges it with the data that you want to manipulate, that you want to change. So it merges those two pieces of data together and it looks like it's healing the area. So if I just start editing this part now, you can see that it's removing that wrinkle completely. Now if it doesn't look exactly right, then you can mess around with the options here. Like for example, the hardness here is a bit low for me, so I could just maybe bring that up a little bit and just try that again. A little bit happier with that. I could maybe just try that again. And what you're noticing is every time I click with my mouse, the source brush follows the movement of my mouse. So notice now, it will move according to how I move the mouse as well. Now once I let go of the mouse, the source will reset back to its original position. Now this is something that you could use to your advantage. So if you have something that is quite long and you want to heal it, then if I continue to drag down, notice that it's going to start using some areas of the image that I don't want to use to heal those areas. So if I want to heal this wrinkle here, what I would do is I would just drag it bit by bit, clicking and letting go on my mouse so that it constantly resets the brush to its original position, and then I can fix that part like I want to. Right? And if I go to this part of the face, then we can do the same. But what I would want to do here is I would want to use a source much closer to the area where I am healing, because I know that data is going to be quite similar to the area I want to heal. So there we go. We're going to click a new source right there, and then we can start healing this part of the face. All right. Now, why don't you give it a go, see what you can do. You don't have to use this image. There are another 2 images on Moodle which you can attempt this activity on. Yeah, have fun.